Wood is more than just a material, it's a canvas for creativity. Throughout history, it has been shaped, carved, and crafted into stunning works of art, blending tradition with modern design. In today's video, we'll explore the beauty of wooden art, from timeless handcrafted pieces to contemporary designs that transform spaces. The true charm of wood lies in its natural textures, intricate grains, and ability to adapt to any artistic vision. Whether polished to a glossy perfection or left raw and rustic, each piece tells a story of craftsmanship, patience, and nature itself. The magic of wood in art and design. Look around, and you'll notice that wood is everywhere. From towering sculptures in city parks to delicate home decor, its versatility is unmatched. Artists use it to create intricate carvings, bold geometric designs, and functional furniture that blends beauty with purpose. One of the most fascinating aspects of wooden art is its ability to evolve. With time, wood changes, gaining character through age. The cracks, patterns, and textures only add depth to its charm, making every piece unique. Traditional carvings and timeless techniques across the world, different cultures have mastered the art of wood carving. In Asia, intricate relief carvings tell stories of myths and legends. In Africa, bold, symbolic sculptures carry deep cultural meanings. And in Europe, the elegance of Baroque-style woodwork decorates grand halls and cathedrals. Each technique requires skill and dedication. From the careful chiseling of a detailed design to the smooth strokes of sanding that bring out the natural beauty, every step is a testament to the artist's passion. Modern wooden art and contemporary trends. Today, wooden art has taken on new, innovative forms. Minimalist wooden sculptures complement modern interiors, while reclaimed wood is given new life in sustainable designs. With advancements in tools and techniques, artists can experiment with laser-cut precision, 3D layering, and even integrating technology into their wooden creations. One of the biggest trends in modern wooden art is geometric patterns. Simple yet striking, these designs add a sophisticated and artistic touch to walls, furniture, and decor pieces. The contrast between clean lines and organic wood grains makes for an eye-catching masterpiece. Traditional wooden wall art is beautiful, but it's static. It doesn't change. Interactive wooden wall art, on the other hand, engages with the viewer. It might be movable panels, rotating parts, flip designs, sliding sections, or even light-responsive elements that react to the environment. Imagine a wooden art piece that reveals a hidden pattern when you touch it, or a set of panels that change their design with a simple rotation. These aren't just artistic elements, they're living, breathing expressions of creativity and functionality. Here are some of the most popular interactive wooden wall art concepts: rotating wooden panels, individual wooden blocks or panels that can be turned to reveal different colors, patterns, or images. Great for customizable wall decor, allowing you to change your design whenever you want. Flip wood art: similar to flip boards in train stations, these wooden slats flip to display different patterns. Can be manually or mechanically controlled, offering a dynamic artistic effect. Sliding wooden pieces: panels that slide over each other to reveal hidden elements underneath. Perfect for secret messages, concealed lighting, or modular design. Light and shadow wooden art: layered wooden cutouts that cast dynamic shadows when light hits them from different angles. Can be enhanced with LED lights for an evolving, mesmerizing effect. Touch and motion responsive designs: pieces that respond to touch by changing position or color. Great for interactive experiences in homes, offices, or art galleries. Woodworking isn't just for professionals, it's a craft that anyone can explore. Simple projects like a handcrafted wooden clock, engraved name plaques, or floating shelves bring creativity into your home. If you enjoy hands-on work, try making your own geometric wall art by cutting and assembling different wood shapes into a custom design. For those who love fine details, pyrography, also known as woodbending, allows you to create intricate illustrations by etching patterns into wood using heat. This technique adds a rustic, handcrafted charm to wooden pieces. The sustainability of wooden art: beyond beauty, wooden art plays a key role in sustainable design. Choosing reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood helps preserve forests and reduce waste. Artists and craftsmen are now embracing eco-friendly practices, turning scrap wood into breathtaking pieces rather than letting it go to waste. Whether it's through upcycling old furniture into artistic decor or creating functional wooden designs with minimal impact on the environment, sustainable wooden art is shaping the future of design. Wood has an undeniable charm, an ability to bring warmth, elegance, and creativity into any space. From traditional hand-carved masterpieces to modern, sleek wooden designs, it continues to inspire artists and craftsmen worldwide. If you've enjoyed this journey through the world of wooden art, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative inspirations. Keep exploring, keep creating, and let the beauty of wood bring your artistic visions to life.